Myself Raj. Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement course, we are discussing about the control statements like while loop. We are discussing the loops, and in that we are seeing about while loop. And already we have seen some example programs using while loop, like sum of digits program, reverse the given number. In this video, let us go with one more new example program which is very important during interview times. That is, write a Java program to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. Whatever the number we take, we have to check whether that number is palindrome or not. What is the meaning of palindrome? Whatever the given number we take, we have to reverse that given number. If our given number and reverse, if both are same, that means the given number is palindrome. Like example, if you take 1 to 1, so if you reverse 1 to 1, the reverse is what? Same 1 to 1. Then if our given number and reverse is same, then we say it is palindrome. Else we say it is not palindrome. Let us write the complete code of this. In Eclipse, in our project, create a new class. Let me go with the name palindrome with main method inside. The purpose of this program is, what is the purpose of this program? Use it to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. Okay, so what is the task here? We have to write a program to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. What are the examples of palindrome? If you take the given number as 1 to 1, then the reverse is also 1 to 1. If our given number and reverse are same, then we call it as palindrome. Now, in order to accept the user input, let us import scanner class, java.util.scanner. In main method, create object of scanner, scanner is equal to new scanner, connect to keyboard, system.in. Now go with the message to the user, enter a number, we'll say int number equal to s.next. Whatever the number we accept, let us send this number to a method. So we'll call the method here if is palindrome. We are going to create a method called as is palindrome. To that we are going to send our given number. If the number is palindrome, this method is going to return true, else it's going to return false. So if it is returning true, we'll go with the message. Number is palindrome. Else we'll say, we are going to display the message, number is not palindrome. Right? Now, let us create the method. Let us create one more method here. Let me go with the method name as is palindrome. To this method, we'll pass our number. Now find the reverse of this number. So take a variable reverse. Initial value is 0. Now write here while number not equal to 0. And what's the formula of reverse? We discussed it in last video. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus n number mod 10. So this explanation already I have given in the last video. So this then say number equal to number by 10. So once we complete this while loop, we are going to get the reverse. Like example, if our given number, if the number is 1 to 1, then see 1 to 1 not equal to 0. So here it comes here, true, the condition is true. It comes here, reverse equal to reverse into 10. Initial value of reverse is 0. 0 into 10 plus 1 to 1 mod 10. So what we get here? 0 plus 1. What is 121 mod 10? 1. So what is the value of reverse now? 1. number equal to number by 10. So number equal to 121 by 10, which is going to give the quotient 12. 12 not equal to 0, yes. Again, reverse equal to reverse into 10. What's the value of reverse? 1 here, 1 into 10, then 12 mod 10. Here we get 1 into 10 is 10, 12 mod 10 is 2. 12 mod 10 is 2. Now the value of reverse is 12. Again, number equal to number by 10, that is 12 by 10, we get 1. 1 not equal to 0, yes. Again, reverse equal to reverse into 10. What is the value of reverse? 12. 12 into 10. Then 1 more 10. We get 120 plus 1, which is 121. Then number equal to number by 10. So what is 1 by 10? 0. So 0 not equal to 0. It is false, comes out. Once you come out, what is the value of reverse here? The value of reverse is 121. Now compare now. If our given number equal to reverse, then we are going to return true. Return true, else return false. Now for this method, what is the return type? We are returning a boolean value true or false. So this method should be return type is boolean. And still we are having error since main is static. Inside a static method, if you call any other method directly, then this method also should be static error. So yes, palindrome should be static. That's it. Now, let us run this program. Right click and say run as Java application. So it is asking for the number. I'm saying 121. See the output, very important. See the output here. 121 is not a palindrome. So we are getting wrong results. So this type of errors we call logical errors. So what you are expecting, if you are not getting, we call them as logical errors. So in this example, the given number is 121. And if I reverse 121, we get 121 only. But what is the output we are getting? It's saying it's not palindrome. See the reason here? After this while loop, what is the value of reverse? 121. No issues. But what about the number? The number has become 0. Once we complete this while loop, the number has become 0. So 0 equal to 121? No. That's the reason it is returning false. That's the reason we are getting message is not palindrome. So what is the problem here? What is the number we have accepted? The number has become 0 here. So for that, to maintain the value of this number, in order not to lose the value of this number, take one variable like a temporary variable and store the value of number into this temporary variable. Then once we complete the while loop, now instead of comparing with our number, you compare with our temporary variable. If our temporary value, that is 121, if it is equal to our reverse value, it's going to return true, else it's going to return false. Now check the output now. Once we run, if I go with the number as 121, see, we are getting the correct result. 121 is palindrome. If you run the code again, if I go with something like 123, it's going to say it is not palindrome. Right? This is very important. Please practice this and try to write the programs using methods. When you write the code using methods, then the logic of your program will be developed very easily. Complexity of your application will be easy. Complexity of your application can be reduced. And the code will become reusable when we write the code in the form of methods. Right? So please practice and please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.